welcome back to a brand new video. So it is quite early in the morning and we're just going to pop over to the old Bonny Street Courts and Police Station, because I've heard there's the work now is actually started in regards to the demolition. So I think they've got most of the studded walls and the items out from within, and the demolition has started. So what I'm going to do, we're going to pop over and just give you a bit of an update. I've also got I found some old pictures of what it used to be like inside, so I'm going to pop those on as well. So it's just a bit of a memory for everybody. So yeah, let's go and head over and let's get going. So we're gonna just go around the back of the building first of all, and this is just on Bonny Street, and you can just smell like the dust in the air as soon as you walk, even around this area. And like I said, if you do come, be very careful. If you are sort of a bit asthmatic or a bit of allergic, you can certainly smell it. So like I said, we're gonna have a bit of a walk around where the police station is, and then head on to the courts. So this is just a slightly sort of a different angle to where the main demolition is, but I just thought I'd show you what's happening around this side. So not much going on around this side. It's all been concentrated on the where the car park entrance used to be, and we'll have a bit of a walk around there in a second. I just thought I'd show you, like I said, some of this. This is probably like a police notice, no parking, so I'd imagine that's where maybe the police cars used to come out, maybe where they used to take them into the cells once they've been arrested. I'm just summarising, so let me know if I am wrong, if that is the entrance where the police used to come in and out. And it's all opened up. Imagine that's where all the machinery maybe and things are kept for the demolition team. And I believe all this car park, in the plans, will be getting flattened. It is flattened at the moment, but I mean, will be sort of going if they build that arena. And like I said, there was all plans to go ahead. Unfortunately, they did go into administration, so they are looking for a new contractor. So I believe all this car park will be going as well. So you can just see like the decay of the concrete all along the metal has been exposed, and I wonder, this is coming down. So you can see it's on its way down now. So I'd imagine most of the stud wall in asbestos and things like that has gone, and there's certainly motoring on with this one now, shall I say. And that used to be the old entrance to the car park. You can see they're just pulling down those metal girders, just ripping through this like no tomorrow. You see the tower in the distance, and they've also got the water sprayer. So that's sort of spraying, I'd imagine, onto some of the places where they're ripping down, just in case it gets all extremely hot. I might be completely wrong, so let me know if that's the case. They're keeping it, and just sort of standing there, you can hear the vibrations underneath your feet. They certainly took a huge section of this out now. this is probably about the sort of third week they've been at this. So like I said, the first sort of 2.5 weeks has all been like behind the scenes and getting everything prepared. So yeah, it looks like they're attacking this one from the centre, and you just see, like I say, those huge metal girders right in the middle. So I believe this one, the Bonnie Street Police Station and Courts, was built in 1968, and it come to its end of its life quite a few years ago now, and it's been subject to demolition for a few years, and it just seems to sort of drag on. But like I said, demolition team was appointed, and work started to be carried out early January this year, and like I said, they have got 6 months to complete the project, which includes the old police station as well. So I just popped up the top, and there's a very funny thing actually. So there's a guy up here in his sort of 20s, and he's standing on top of this bridge where I'm standing right now. This is a serious story. And I was literally sort of 10 feet away from him. I looked down, looked back up, and he's gone. There's no way he could have gone anywhere. So I looked all around, and I'm still looking right down, and he's completely vanished. And I'm like, quite a bit sort of freaked out really. Is he a bloody ghost? That is really, really odd. He was about 20, he's been studying for like 10 minutes, looking down where they're demolishing it, and he's completely gone. If you come up to the top of the ridge, there's no way you can see somebody walking away or running away, and he's vanished. That is really, really strange. Really strange. Yeah, but anyway, this is just a bit at the top, just to show you. And like I said, they started this the main sort of ripping out yesterday, and looks like they're going to be carrying on now. So they are starting. This is like the front section, and like I said, they're certainly going for this one now. Got the asbestos team back again in the van. So imagine sort of the clearing section by section out. I'm only summarising, but yeah, they're back again, and it is very early in the morning, and so they've obviously started very early. So this is where I've walked up, and you can see the bridge, and you can oversee the central, Blackpool Central, the car park. And the gentleman was standing just where that yellow sign is. You can see where it says no through road. And he was standing there, so I was more or less here. I looked down, I looked up, and it had gone. So the only way, there's three ways he could have gone. He could have jumped straight over and run down a huge great bank. He could have run past over the bridge, run over, or he could have jumped down that side or come right past me. And like I said, none of those routes he'd taken, because you'd have seen him. I was literally more or less right next to him, and he'd just gone. How odd is that? That is really, really strange. And that's the bridge, and if you go underneath the bridge, that leads all the way to Central Drive. And you can see Blackpool Central, quite a new car park. It's been opened about a year and a half, I believe, which is situated just there. And if you go underneath the bridge, just turn to the left. You got the joke shop, and I believe that is going to be part of the Demolition. You got the old picture house on Central Drive. Another fantastic building, hasn't been in use for many, many years, but another wonderful, wonderful building. And that, like I said, that guy is really, like I said, I'm just going to point the camera back up. So he was just literally standing, just there. And like I said, that's the bank I was just mentioning. You can see, and there's no way you could have sort of got down there, run down, I'd have seen him. And like I said, he's just vanished. But he's just overlooking and watching the demolition on the courts. I mean, is it a wandering spirit maybe? That's really, really strange. Very, very odd. So you can see it's now it's exposing all the wood, the huge amount of wiring. Look at all the wiring, what's in there as well, the metal, and like I say, there's all sorts what's being exposed. And like I said many times, you know, if walls could speak, you know, what stories this would hold. All those people, you know, being to court, being sentenced, and you know, sort of regretting their actions maybe. And you know, it's a strange old thing, life. You just see where they're ripping chunks of it out. Certainly powerful machines. It's only a little small one. It's not like a massive machine, but it's certainly got some grip, that one. So I think I'll leave this one for the moment, but it's just a bit of an update. Like I said, you know, for the last couple of weeks, nothing's really been going on, but you can see now they're really sort of getting into this one. And as always, as in most of the shots, you can just see the wonderful, iconic tower in the distance. So I have got a couple of old pictures of inside the building. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop those on, and I'll show you, you know, a bit of inside the old building, what it used to be like for the courts and the police station. It's certainly something of interest and something to look back on. So we'll keep you up to date with all the latest on this demolition. Now it's really starting to go ahead, like I said. And until next time, take care of yourselves, and it is a bye from me. Don't forget, if you do like the content, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date. Hit the notification button so it'll remind you of any videos coming out. And until next time, take care, and it is a bye from me. Bye bye.